Hi.
My name is Mahinder Kumar.
Hi.
I'm working in a private limited company,
Okay.
and I came to know through Facebook. I've seen your advertisement in the Facebook and attended your webinar last
Okay.
10 days back and joined
Okay.
this program. I would like to monitor the money. Actually, till now, I haven't planned for any investments at all, but about 3-4 years back, I've started investing in insurance policies.
Okay.
Started a 50 lakh policy, but I think after hearing your webinar and all, it will be of very difficult to achieve what I desired from policies, insurance policies, long-term 20-year policy. So that's
Yeah.
why I would like to learn more and more in monitoring the money and earn more and more from the investment part.
Sure, Mahendra Garu. And I think thanks for reminding this. If you guys have any insurance plans and you need to pay any kind of a renewals, please let us know if the renewal is in this month. So don't take any financial decisions until you complete this 21-day program, because all your decisions may change in the next 21 days. So if any premium renewals are there and you need to pay in the next 21 days, please let us know. Let Mahesh know. Mahesh will guide you what to do. And if you have time after 21 days or after 30 days or 45 days or next month, you need to payment, you can hold it. After 21 days, you can tell us what is best according to you. Okay. And majority insurance plans are wrong plans. These insurance agents will sell. So we will correct it in the next 21 days. Yeah.
Thank you.
Mostly tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that program will be there.
Sure.
Fine. Thank you.